Hey guys, Ray here with Digital Footprint Solutions, your number one web design agency here in Fort Lauderdale, where we take your business online. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a Facebook business page for your business. And I'm also going to tell you why it's important for you to have a Facebook business page. All right, so small business owners who use social network sites effectively are able to promote their business in very powerful ways. A Facebook business page is one of those best ways to connect with your customers and build a following for your company or for your brand. So, a Facebook business page gives you a way to communicate directly with your target audience. And that's a very powerful thing. And one of the most important thing in all of this, once you have a Facebook account, you can create a Facebook business account and it's 100% free. Facebook does not charge you in creating a Facebook business page. So that's an added plus on your part. Now, think of your Facebook business page as an ongoing focus group. Your fans are there because they are aware of your company and want to learn more. While they certainly are expecting to receive useful information from your business page, you can also collect useful details from them through participation. All right, so think about this. We have companies like Nike. Nike, they have millions of followers, as we can see here. And they also have a Facebook business page. Now, notice the simplicity of their Facebook business page. And when you are creating a Facebook business page for yourself, ensure to follow some of these best practices. Go to some of these companies' Facebook page. Take a look at how they structure their page. Look at their About section, and you can pretty much get an idea as to how to structure your page as well. All right, so we have Nike right here. What about Home Depot? We have Home Depot right here. They also have a very structured business page. And from their business page, a user can go and shop. So again, it makes it very effective for Home Depot to have a Facebook business page. All right, we have Disney also. So if these large multi-billion dollar companies can have a Facebook page, why shouldn't we as small businesses also have a Facebook business page? So with less yapping, let's go ahead and create our Facebook business page. All right, so the Facebook page that I'm going to create today is related to my personal website, raydaily.online. So as you can see, that's my website right there. About me, some of my services, my skills, and of course, my contact information. Pretty simple website. And it leads back to my company's website also. But since Digital Footprint Solutions already have a Facebook business page, I'm just going to keep it to Ray Daily because Ray Daily does not yet have a Facebook business page. Never needed one, but since I'm doing this video, I decided to go ahead and create one. All right, so obviously you need to be logged in to your account. And if you do not have a Facebook account, you need to simply create one. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to head up to our top right hand corner here where we have this menu. Once you hover over it, you'll see where menu appears. We want to click on that. Then we want to scroll down to pages. Once we're here on this screen, we first want to create a page name for our Facebook page. So the name that I'm going to use is Ray Daily Web developer. All right, now as for the category section, we're going to choose the category. So if you're in a different industry, let's say salon or beauty industry or real estate, then you could just simply look for real estate company, real estate developer, real estate agent, real estate service. Or if you're in the beauty, let's say beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. So whatever industry you're in, you should be able to find it here. All right. As for me, I'm a web developer, so I'm just gonna put web designer. Um, I also do marketing, so let me see if marketing agency or internet marketing service. All right, perfect. So you can have multiple categories here. Now, as for the description, I'm not going to put anything here at the moment except just some placement text. So let me just go over to a website where I can grab some dummy text and just put it here for the time being. All right. And then once we've done that, we're going to click on create page. All right. Ray Daily Web Developer was created. You can now add images or go to your page and add more details. Perfect. So we're all set. So now we're on our Facebook business page. And up here, you can see where it says www.facebook.com/raydaily-web-developer and some numbers. All right. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to add an image here. Now, to get an image here in this section, you can go ahead and click on edit, choose from photos if you already have photos, or you can just go to upload photos. All right, so let me see if I can find anything here. I think I do have one. Here it is. So I'm just going to put this one for right now. And you can also position it better. So there we go. And we can click on Save Changes. All right, so next, let's work on the thumbnail, which is right here. Now, to grab a thumbnail, it's pretty much a logo that you need. So whatever your logo is, you can put it here. And if you do not have a logo, then you can go to a website called Fiverr.com. You'll be able to find someone there that can create a logo for you at an affordable cost. So we have completed our cover image or cover photo here. Now let's move on now to edit page info. All right, so let's X that out for now. And of course, you know that you're not eligible yet for a username. All right, so let's go ahead and add the description. So for the description, I'm just going to head over to my website and I'm just going to grab a few sentences here because we are limited to how many characters we can have here. So let me just go ahead and paste that here and let's fix that up. All right, and that's pretty fine for right now. All right, now as for phone number, let's go ahead and enter my business number here, which is 1-954-361-5215. As for my email, I'm going to use contact@raydaily.online. And for my website, let's go ahead and grab my URL. And for location, I'm just going to leave that blank for right now. So I'm just going to click my page does not have a location because I'm pretty much online. Service area. So this is pretty much where you're located. So I'm gonna put Fort Lauderdale, and you can put surrounding areas also. I'm gonna put West Palm Beach. I'm gonna put Boca Raton. Okay, there we go. And that's it. As for hours, I'm not gonna put any hours here, but if you have opening hours, then you can always do open on selected, and you can go ahead and enter the hours you're opening and closing hours here. All right, but I will not have any hours available, so I'm just gonna put always open. All right. So as for this section right here, we can just leave this as default. If you have a privacy policy, you can go ahead and enter it here. And that's pretty much it. All right, let's go back to our page. All right, so here it has where it says set your page up for success. We have 7 out of 13 steps completed. All right, so step 1, establish your identity, your page identity. We can also add a profile picture. So let me just do a profile picture. I'll just put this. Just for the sake of it. All right, so we got 8 out of 13. Then provide info and preferences. Add phone number. I think I already did, but let's do that again. 954-631-5215. That's my phone number. And if you do not have a phone number or do not want to display your phone number, just check this right here. And of course, I am in the United States, so I'm going to do that. You can connect to WhatsApp if you need to. As for me, I'm not going to do that. And here we can add a call to action button. So follow, view gift card, book now, get code, call now, contact us. I'm just going to do a contact us, and I'm going to put the name of the website again, this time with the contact information. Copy, and then save. Location, not applicable, so we're good there. And once you're done, you can start inviting friends. All right, so that's pretty much how you create a Facebook business page, guys. And as I said, it's a great way to connect with your customers. So until next time, I will see you soon.